Hi guys, this is on the 7th of Feb, somewhere in the night, and I'm trying to review what the BA buy above sell below strategy has given us in the morning today. So this is what transpired. This was the signal that we gave you in the morning. Let's go back on the replay to understand where the signal was. This was where the signal was, and this is how we have moved through the day. So let's see how we have moved on the 5 minute. I'll keep the movement at 1x. We moved down in the day. Then again, at about 10:10, we were a little choppy today. We came down, didn't touch our level of the first target and reversed somewhere from in the middle. I'll tell you where we reversed from the middle. Why did we reverse from the middle is because we had a little bit of a, I'll just share with you what we had. So we had this on the 5 minute. We had some kind of a imbalance. There was some kind of an imbalance on a bigger time frame. Let me check. There you go. There, what we see here is that we have some kind of a fair value gap here, which is some kind of a support area. And this is exactly where we went up from. So you see how beautifully we went up from the support area. It didn't let us touch this area and it went up. But eventually, let's see what happened later in the day. We keep going. We get stalled here somewhere near these resistance points on the top. So this area acted as a resistance on the top. Yeah, this area acted as a resistance on the top. Let's see what happened later. We began to come down. Yeah, we began to come down and again came down crashing under our sell below area. It was a choppy session for sure. Took a retest of our level, which is so important. This level counted. That's where when we got our first target. This was at 14:15 in the evening. Bounced off it later, and see how beautifully this level has worked. And again here also this level worked so beautifully. We went up, came down, again went to retest our sell below area, tested it for like almost 1 hour, then came down beautifully in the next hour and tagged our first target and then went up. This is as far as the Nifty was concerned. Now let's look at Bank Nifty and see what the Bank Nifty gave us. Okay. Again, we do the same thing. What we do is we take a replay tool, we'll stretch it to the day beginning, and we'll see how it operated from there. Now, what is important is to mark is that this was the high of yesterday. So that is where the liquidity rests. And sometimes what happens is it tests those liquidity levels and then comes down. That's exactly what it did. It went up, tested these liquidity yesterday's highs and crashed down. And let's see, by 10:30, we'd already scored beautifully. We'd already scored more than 300 points on the Bank Nifty. Let's continue with what we saw. And then we went up again. Again, this level proving to be a very important level. It's marked, pre-marked. And we went up again, tested this area of buy and sell. And again, we started to come down. So we got 300 points in the first run and we got 300 points in the second run too. So that's close to 600 points, two opportunities that the strategy gave us to make money on the same day. And let's see subsequently what happened. Subsequently, we kept on taking support at this level. And eventually we break through it at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We didn't get to this level. Now, why we didn't get to this level again is something that we need to look at. We will see why we didn't get to this level. If you see again, we have another fair value gap here. Okay, this was an area of support. fair value gaps offer support. And that's where the market start to reverse from. And we had a good reversal from here, which took us higher. And that's where we ended the day. So 600, 300 points here, 300 points here. And if we had we kept more, we did not cover it the first level. We could have gone right up to 504. Even if we had trailed at this somewhere around this level, we could have got 400 points at least on the second trail that we did with the second run that we got down. So eventually a good day for the charts. We scored both on the Nifty and the Bank Nifty. Yes, you need to understand how this strategy operates to take advantage of it. Take my recorded course, and that will give you all the ideas that you require to operate with this strategy. I will share the link in the description. But the strategy scores literally every day as long as you keep, if you understand how to operate with it. And that's it for this video. I'll try and keep coming back with these videos so that you understand how the strategy works and how often we make money out of it. Thank you.